Hello there, I'm Wilfred and you're welcome to Tech Tutorial Box. And in this video, I'll show you how to make an animation just like this one for free. And in case you're wondering, I animated this with only my finger, the free animation app flipaclip, and my mobile phone. The example I'll be showing you is my character saying hello there. Before we continue, be sure to check out my other YouTube channel, Will Animations, for Storytime animations and more tutorials. But wait, finish watching this video first. So, the first thing we need to do is download the free animation app flipaclip. After installing flipaclip, open it. Then create a new project. Select the frames per second. For this video, I'm going to be using 12 frames per second since it can give me smooth animations without having to draw too many frames. You can also select your canvas size, but I'm going to be going with YouTube 720. Then click on Create Project. The next thing we need to do is record the audio for the video. So click on the audio icon right down here. Now we are done recording our audio. Click right up here. Then move the audio to the track. Then click up here to return to the canvas. Now we've got the audio for the video. Now it's time to start animating. To draw the keyframes, we'll start by drawing the first pose with the character standing there. Click on the pen icon. Then select pencil. Then click on the layers button. And now we are going to name this layer the sketch layer. Now let's begin sketching our character. We are done with the first sketch of our character. It's time for us to draw the second keyframe. So we'll listen through the audio. Hello there. Hello there. Now, I've decided to bring the second keyframe on the fourth frame. So now it's time for us to sketch the character. Since the only difference from the first keyframe and this, the second keyframe, is the hand is slightly raised up. So we'll copy the first keyframe to the fourth. Then You'll erase part of the hand, then redraw it. Now, we'll start by drawing the face in between. Since it's not that different from the first frame, it's only the arm being lifted by a small bit, we'll copy the first frame to the second and start working on it. Now, it's time to do the same for the remaining of the frames. It's time to create the line art for our animation. For this, we'll create another layer. And we are going to be naming this layer the line art and color, since we'll color the animation on this very layer. Now click on the pencil tool. Now we are going to switch to the pen. So we are done with the line art. So click on the 100% to erase the sketch. Now it's time to color our character. We will need to create a canvas containing all the characters we will need. Sorry, the colors we will need. So now we'll go back to our canvas. And start coloring our character in. Now we will do the same for the other frames. We are now done coloring our animation. It's time for us to add the mouth and lip sync. So click on the layers button. Since there's no audio at the beginning on the first frame, so we're going to make it a straight smile. Then here we can hear the he sound of the hello. So you're going to draw the mouth slightly open, revealing the teeth of our character. Since the mouth in the third frame is wider than the one in the second frame, you can copy and paste the mouth from the second frame to the third. You can hear the O sound in hello. So we're going to make it so it's time for us to color the mouth. For this, we'll create a new palette containing the colors we wish to use. Since the background is already white, we are not going to color in the teeth. So we are done. So it's time for us to shade our character. I'm not quite good with shading characters, but you can follow how I am shading this character. Shading of the character makes the character look more three-dimensional, and overall I enjoy it. So you can do the same for the other frames. So we are done with the video. So we're going to play it and see how it looks. Hello there. Hello there. So we are done, and I think it generally looks great. Those are just my thoughts. You can leave your comments right down in the comment section. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to stick around by subscribing and clicking the notification bell to get an update when I upload my next video.